In the dynamic and competitive free energy market, every decision can make the difference between success and wasted resources. That's where Grid Zero technology comes in. More than just an energy efficiency solution, it's a smart and innovative strategy to transform your company's energy management. With the Grid Zero system, you can optimize contracts, cut costs, and improve your environmental footprint. But how is that possible? Through the strategic installation of photovoltaic generators that meet a significant share of your demand. And the difference is clear. The Grid Zero system operates completely autonomously from the conventional power grid. What's more, it offers an advanced interactive control system capable of managing energy consumption and loads simultaneously. You gain efficient, accurate, real-time energy management. Stop wasting time with high costs and unstable forecasts. Click Learn More and speak now with one of our specialists to discover how Grid Zero technology can transform your company's energy reality.